Heard a desert bighorn in Grand Canyon. We're off the Tonto on the north side of Horseshoe Mesa. Looks like I may have spooked him a little. My apologies for the shakiness. It's a little windy. About 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually, they don't seem to mind too much. It's probably the biggest herd of bighorn I've ever seen in the canyon. Being the, I don't know, 5th or 6th time I've seen them. That must be the dominant ram. I'm guessing the guy bringing up the rear there. Alright. Time for lunch.